In a quiet little village, nestled between rolling hills and green fields, a kind farmer was preparing his land for the new season. With care, he tilled the soil and planted many seeds. Among them, two tiny seeds were sown side by side. As they lay deep in the warm earth, the first seed whispered, "I feel something within me, a desire to grow, to reach up toward the light, to feel the sunshine on my leaves and dance in the breeze." So, the little seed started working. It began to push tiny roots downward into the soil and stretch tender shoots upward, even though it was dark and cold. It trusted the process. It believed that one day, it would emerge into the light. The second seed, lying next to it, heard these thoughts and became afraid. What if the soil is too hard? What if it's not the right time? What if I push up too soon and the sun burns me? Or worse, what if something eats me the moment I sprout? And so, the second seed decided to wait. It remained still, afraid of what might happen if it tried. Days passed. Rain came, nourishing the earth. Sunshine warmed the ground. The first seed continued its journey, struggling, pushing, growing. One fine morning, it broke through the surface of the soil and greeted the world with joy. It saw the sky for the first time. It felt the wind. And it began to grow tall and strong. Birds came to rest on its leaves, bees buzzed around, and the breeze made it sway gently in delight. But the second seed still waited. Hidden underground. Fear had wrapped itself around the seed like a heavy coat. It dreamed of growing, but was too scared to try. One day, a bird came pecking at the soil, looking for food. It found the second seed lying helpless and still. With a quick snap of its beak, the bird swallowed the seed and flew away. Moral of the story: those who wait in fear may never get the chance to grow. The world rewards those who believe in themselves, even when things are uncertain, even when the path is dark. The first seed didn't wait for the perfect moment. It took a chance. It chose courage over comfort. And because it believed in its own potential, it became something beautiful. So remember, the moment you believe in yourself and take that first step, you start growing. Don't wait until you're ready. Don't let fear keep you buried. Because life is waiting for you to bloom. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories.